Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just doing a quick live stream today. Thought I'd get this in really quick. It is not musical instrument related, which is very rare for this channel. I try to keep everything concentrated in the realm of making musical instruments, but we've all been stuck at home for quite a while, and some of us more than others, but I don't know about you guys, but I haven't been going out to eat a lot. We've been doing a lot of delivery and we've been making a lot of food, but we have not been going out all that much. So one of the things that we've been doing is pizza. And I was inspired by Alec, the French cooking guy, who's has an awesome channel. I'm sure you guys have seen it. If you haven't, check it out. It's an amazing channel, and he does a great series on making pizza. And based on his methods, I came up with my own kind of system. And I just use my barbecue grill. So it's kind of, I just start a wood fire in my barbecue grill and I prop the door open and I, treat it as if it's a pizza oven. It doesn't get me that high, but I get upwards of 800 degrees Fahrenheit. So pretty good. But the point is, this pizza peel that I made here, I'd seen a lot of designs online and none of them really worked for me. And I wanted to just make it from scrap anyways that I had in the shop. So let's hop over into Fusion. I'll show you what I did for the design work. So this is what I ended up with, and I wanted something that was 3D, right? Something that like sliced down in dimensional. I saw a lot of stuff that was 2.5 dimensions, where just had a lip, but I really wanted something 3D. So what I did here, let's just go and check out what I did as far as making it. So first thing I did is I just glued a bunch of scrap together to see what I had. I took a picture of it here and made a canvas, and then and sized this canvas up to actual dimension. So these are just guitar scraps, right? This is just alder and ash that were the edges of boards when I made guitars, and I took this extra stock and I glued it all together and joined it and glued it all together. And then after that, I could start sketching out what I wanted to do, and I just created a profile sketch of something that I thought might work. Then started making the handle geometries because I knew I was going to extrude this or maybe cut this geometry there. I created some geometries for slicing that 3D profile, some edges, and you can see the point. I actually did put a design in here to engrave, but I decided not to engrave it, so I didn't do that. Then I have a little stock here, and I did that. From all this, I created a PDF file so that I knew what it was, and then I took this stock and I thickness to dimension, and then I brought it over to the CNC machine. So let's hop over into CAM and start looking. Well, let's put and get rid of all these sketches. So let's go over into manufacture and check what we did with CAM, which I think is pretty cool. Let's get that canvas out of there. I don't know why. Okay, I gotta go back to design. Get the canvas out of there. Okay. So here we are with the model. So basically, I just did was this way. So I just did an outline. I did another outline cleanup. This is pretty typical of my process, is that I leave 60 thousandths stock to leave, and then I do two 30 thousandths inch passes at a 1/4 inch deep, and this gives me a nice clean edge. Then I just did the scallop, and you've seen us do this in archtop instruments a lot, and it's just a scallop tool path. There wasn't that much to cut here. I think I went with a 1/10 of an inch step over, and then the trick was I had to have support material, right? So I needed to support this. When I flipped it over, I needed to support it. So I created support material here, and I just a piece of MDF, this thickness to a 1/4 of an inch, and then I run that same scallop tool path along it to create the support material. And then I put the paddle back in and strap her down the normal method and do that. So that's kind of what we did as far as the CAD and CAM. Pretty straightforward stuff. I'm going to share all this to my Patreon members, and I'm also going to send this to Alex and see if he would like to share it with his Patreon members as well, because I thought it was kind of an interesting thing to do. So let's go ahead and watch the video of making it and using it. So here it is. Okay, guys, what did you think about that? That was really fun to have my family over, make some pizzas. Yeah, we're still doing the, trying to stay safe, and hope you guys are as well. So that was the gist of it. I'll probably post just that video on YouTube as well, just so y'all don't have to watch all of this extra stuff if you don't want to. But not typical. I don't plan on me doing a lot more non-instrument stuff. This is going to be probably one of the only ones, unless inspiration strikes and I just I can't help myself. But that was it. I hope you guys liked it. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. We've got a lot of great instrument making content here, and also Fusion360 and CAD cam stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and go make some pizzas.